Alright, what's good, y'all? So, you either here for one or two reasons. Maybe you just bought one of these pistol crossbows as well. You're trying to see somebody put it together right quick, or you're just interested in the video and decided to come check, you know what I'm saying, come kick it with us. Either way, I'm finna assemble this really quick. This is a nice cheap crossbow I found on Amazon. And right here I got some beeswax that I had sitting in the oven for a little bit, real low, just to warm it up a little bit so that it's nice and malleable. You know what I mean? So I'm going to use beeswax on the string instead of synthetic wax, just my preference. So get straight into this. Should be real simple to put together. Let's see, it comes with 5. These are plastic with a metal tip. So those got safety on it. We'll see how that works. Alright. This is metal. That's nice. And alright. So that's what it is. Alright, and take some of this beeswax. Got my string on there. It's nice and waxed up and everything. Even got some excess. But there we go. So I'm gonna adjust this later. But alright, y'all, so we got the outside set up right now, you know what I mean. I'm actually about between like 7 to 10 yards away, you know what I mean. I'm gonna go ahead and get this test in, camera zoomed in on the target in the back, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna just shoot a few, you know what I mean, and make sure everything is actually working and functioning like it should. And it's kind of hard to get this. All right, here we go. I'm gonna pull this back for y'all. Boom. Load me something up. And hopefully y'all, and I haven't you know, adjusted the elevation, the window, or anything like that on here, but let's see where it's hitting. What I'm noticing is that it's, you know, it's riding a little bit high, so I'm gonna end up adjusting that, you know what I mean. You can see here go my 3, 1, 2, 3 that went in, you know what I mean. I got some metal ones, but this is just to see, you know, make sure everything functions right, everything looks good. One thing I will note right now is after each pull of the trigger, after each shot, the safety automatically goes back on. So you gotta, you know, I guess it's like a built-in safety feature. So you actually need to, you know, after you load another one in, you know, you gotta take that safety off every single time before you pull the trigger, which I think that's a you know, decent safety feature, so I don't really have any issue with that. But yeah, test complete, you know what I mean. I'm happy with the results. I just gotta adjust, you know, adjust a little bit to so that my aim is, you know, hit where I wanted to hit. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. If you got any questions about this thing, leave it down in the comment box and I'll try to get back to y'all. But that's pretty much it for this video. Peace out for now, squad.